Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram stories stuck at uploading. For example, if you open an Instagram story and you upload that story and after uploading you see that it shows uploading but doesn't upload, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close that. After closing the Instagram app, first of all you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether it is turned on or off, or you are connected to data connection, you can also check that. Moreover, what you have to do is you have to click on the flight mode, which means you have to turn on the flight mode and you have to turn it off and on again so that your internet connection can be restarted. After doing all, what you have to do is you have to open setting of your device. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on apps. After opening apps or application manager, you have to scroll down and you have to search for the Instagram. After you have found the Instagram, what you have to do is you have to click on that. After that, you have to check whether you have allowed background data usage in that or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn this on. After that, you have to click on storage. Here you have to clear the cache of your app. After clearing the cache, what you have to do is you have to go back and check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram from your device, and what you have to do is you have to open the Play Store and install an updated version of the Instagram app, because many errors and bugs are fixed by the updated version of the app. Here you have to search for Instagram and you have to check whether you have an updated version of the Instagram app. After updating, many problems are solved. So this will also fix that error. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.